Vanakkam Chennai, myself Jetil and welcome to Housey. And today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Azur Phase 3 which is located in Paddur, OMR Chennai, and this project is developed by Godrej Properties. In this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm on the main entrance of Godrej Azur project, and this is the land parcel. So basically, this is the phase 1 where the residencies are residing right now. And now the marketing office is right here just behind me. You can check out the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is spread across 8 acres of land parcel divided into phases. So this is the phase 1 consisting of commercial area and residential. This is a phase 2. So basically phase 1 and phase 2 are completely sold out. Now we have came up with phase 3 and phase 4, consisting of 6 towers in all. Each towers of basement, stilt, plus 18 floors, having 2, 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located just opposite to the Paddur junction on OMR road in Chennai. So let me show you that basically this is the OMR main road, and this road will connect you towards City IT Park, and the opposite side road will take you towards Mahabalipuram. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, Hindustan University is 1.5 kilometers away and Sipcot IT Park is 2 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of outdoor gym, yoga lounge, kids play area, swimming pool, clubhouse and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the super built-up area. So this project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK in different variants and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK 2T is 1021 square feet, 3 BHK 2T is 1248 square feet, 3 BHK 3T is 1478 square feet, 3 BHK 3T Grandeur is 1949 square feet, and 4 BHK 4T duplex is 2722 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So Godrej Azur Phase 3 is in pre-launch stage. So our EOI window is open now. We are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model flight and the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by submitting bankable EOI, which has lots and lots of benefits. For that, you have to inquire on www.housey.com. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Azur Phase 3, which is located in Paddur, OMR Chennai, a project developed by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.